What is up people, welcome back to my channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to fix ad post to your story missing or not working in Instagram. So how can you fix your story missing or not working problem in your Instagram app? So in this video I will show you that and I will fix it. So let's begin our video. So guys, first of all, what should you do? You just need to go on your Play Store. After go on your Play Store, you just need to open your Instagram. And after open Instagram, you need to check out your Instagram application is updated or not. There you can see my Instagram already updated. If your Instagram is not updated, make sure it's updated. Okay, after doing that, go on your phone settings. After go on your phone settings, you just need to find out apps or apps management option. So I just find apps, so open it and now go on manage apps. Now what should you do? You just need to find out your Instagram here. So just find out. If you don't find out from here, you can go on search bar and type it, but I get my Instagram, so open it. Now go on clear data, now clear case, then okay. Now what should you do? You just open your Instagram now, and after doing all, I hope your Instagram ad post to your story is missing or not working problem already fixed or already solved. So hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.